Bitcoin is back at $63,600. So this is a quick short-term update on what to expect here, because we are at a very critical level where we either reject and potentially drop back down to 57,000, or we flip this level and we keep going and UPTOBER starts. So quick short-term update following up on the daily updates that I did last week. I will do a larger big picture update later today and upload that as a separate video. You can see over here, this is a 1 hour chart of Bitcoin. And last week I shared this bullish RSI divergence, and I said that would lead us to a bit of an upside move, targeting this area over here between about 63,000 and just over 64,000. And that is exactly what happened. So we got the bounce off the support here. So this previous high here became support with a bullish RSI divergence. We got the pump to the upside as expected, because exactly at this level, this is when people start shorting Bitcoin and basically expecting it to break down, and they start taking higher leverage shorts, and then obviously they get wrecked. So we saw that. Now the shorts there are wrecked. Okay, so we got back to this point where we are now just over here tapping into this area. And we still have this high over here, so it could still wick slightly above 64. The question is going to be here, do we get a rejection, and do we go back down and potentially all the way back down to still fill this 57 area, sweep these lows, and maybe come down and then go up? Or is this it? Was this the low? Do we flip this level that we're at right now? And do we just keep going? And is this the start of UPTOBER? Because, again, historically, October is still the most bullish. Q4 is incredibly bullish, especially if we have a green September. It has been followed by a green October, November, and December every single time. We're in the election year. So in theory, and based on those numbers, the probabilities are bullish. So if we can flip this, there is a chance that we continue up only for UPTOBER. But we'll have to see. We're going to find out today or tomorrow. I'm still cautious here. If we do get a rejection, be careful not to FOMO along. So either we need to get here the confirmation that we do flip it and continue going higher, or we get the rejection. This is not a point to long. The point to long was last week when I made these videos with the bullish divergence. You could have had a long from anywhere between 60 and 60.5. and ridden this up for a $3,000 move to the upside. This is not the place to long right now, technically, because where do you place your invalidation? It has to be much wider now if you were to long right here. And at the same time, if you short over here without confirmation, it can also keep going up. So right now, we just need to wait and see how this develops today, maybe Monday or Tuesday, maybe both days, until we get a better setup that allows us to either place a long or a short. I'm still open to both possibilities here, but hopefully, we are not going down to 57K. That is my hope here, that we have set the bottom the first week of October, and that we go up for here for the rest of the month. That would be nice, but be prepared for both scenarios. If you're looking for a place to trade crypto leverage, try Blofin Exchange. Use my link in the description down below. You can get up to $5,000 in sign-up bonuses just by trading there. And I'm also regularly giving away prizes. Like currently we're running a campaign. I'm giving away an iPhone 16 valued at $1,500. And we're giving away $300 just to my referrals who are trading. And that's something that I will do more and more regularly. So currently Blofin Exchange is my favorite exchange to trade on. If you want to come join us there, trade perpetual futures, use the link in the description down below, create an account, deposit, and start trading there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, share it with a friend, tweet it, like it, get it out there to more people, and I will see you tomorrow.